Welcome back to our channel. I am Maya, and I'm so happy that you're here today.
And I'm Jack. Today we have another fun, slow, and easy English conversation to help you train your mouth to talk naturally and confidently.
In this video, we're going to speak very clearly so you can copy our mouth movements, our rhythm, and our pronunciation.
That's right. You can repeat after us, pause the video, say the sentences, and train your lips, your tongue, and your voice.
This lesson is super beginner friendly, so relax, enjoy, and speak with us.
All right, let's start the conversation.
Jack, how are you today?
I'm doing great, Maya. I slept well, I had a good breakfast, and I'm feeling ready for this conversation. How about you?
I'm doing well too. I practiced some pronunciation this morning, especially the R and th sounds. They still take some focus.
Oh, absolutely. Those sounds are tricky for many learners, but the more you train your mouth, the easier they become.
That's true. For example, when I say three, I have to really think about the tongue position. Three.
Exactly. And when I say really, I stretch the R a little. Really.
Viewers can practice with us. Say it slowly. Three. Really.
Nice. Now let's continue. Did you do anything interesting this morning besides practicing pronunciation?
Yes, actually. I went outside for a short walk. The weather was quiet and calm, and walking helps me think clearly.
That sounds nice. I didn't go for a walk today, but I did stretch and drink some warm water. It helps my voice.
Oh, yes, that's important for speaking. Warm water relaxes the throat.
And relaxed muscles help mouth training too. When your lips and jaw are tight, it's harder to speak clearly.
Very true. Speaking requires muscle control. People don't realize that speaking is a physical activity.
Yes, when you speak, your tongue moves, your lips open and close, your jaw shifts, your breath changes. It's almost like a workout.
A light workout, but still a workout.
Right. And that's why daily practice is important.
Speaking of daily practice, what do you usually do to keep your English sharp?
I try to do three things. One, listen to English audio. Two, speak for at least 5 minutes. Three, practice a new sound.
That's a great routine. I also like speaking out loud while doing small tasks. For example, when I cook, I describe what I'm doing.
Oh, yes, that's a very effective technique.
I say things like, I'm cutting vegetables, or I'm making tea, or I'm washing dishes.
That's perfect for learners too. It's simple, natural, and trains your mouth to talk in real situations.
And it feels less scary because you're just talking to yourself.
Exactly. Speaking alone is a safe space.
And the more you speak alone, the more confident you become around other people.
That's very true. Confidence grows step by step.
Jack, do you remember when you first learned English? Were you confident?
Not at all. I was shy. I didn't want to make mistakes.
Same here. I used to overthink everything before speaking.
But one day, I realized that mistakes are normal. If I don't make mistakes, I don't improve.
That's such an important lesson. Many learners worry too much about being perfect.
Yes, perfection slows down progress.
I agree. It's better to speak imperfectly than not speak at all.
Absolutely. And when you train your mouth regularly, your speaking becomes smoother day by day.
Let's show viewers an example of natural, slow speaking. Say a simple sentence slowly so they can copy it.
All right. I am learning English every day. Slowly. I am learning English every day.
Nice. Here's mine. Good practice makes good speaking. Slowly. Good practice makes good speaking.
That was great.
Thanks. Now, let's return to our conversation. Jack, what are your plans for today?
Well, after filming this video, I'm going to make some lunch, maybe pasta. Then I'll do some reading.
Sounds like a calm day. What are you reading at the moment?
I'm reading a simple English novel. The sentences are short and easy, perfect for mouth practice.
That's nice. I'm reading a book about daily habits. It talks about small changes making big results.
Oh, that's a great topic. Small, consistent practice is exactly how people improve their English.
Yes, even 5 minutes a day can make a big difference.
Right. And the best way to use those 5 minutes is to speak out loud.
Let's give our viewers some self-talk lines they can use daily.
Good idea. You start.
I am learning English. Slowly. I am learning English.
I can speak clearly. Slowly. I can speak clearly.
I am improving every day. Slowly. I am improving every day.
Good job. These simple lines create confidence.
Yes, and confidence opens the mouth, literally and emotionally.
Well said. Maya, do you think mouth exercises are useful too?
Definitely. Even small exercises like stretching your mouth wide, then relaxing it, help with clarity.
I also like the EOA exercise. You make big shapes with your mouth.
Yes, like E, O, A. It warms up the lips.
Let's demonstrate for a moment.
Sure. E,
Oh.
A.
Viewers can practice with us.
It takes only 10 seconds, but it helps a lot.
Maya, what sound do you think is the hardest in English?
I think TH is very hard. Many languages don't have this sound.
True. To say TH, you must put your tongue gently between your teeth.
Like this. Th. Not t, not d, but th.
And for words like think, three, thank you.
Yes, let's practice with viewers. Think. 3. Thank you.
Nicely done. And the R sound is another challenge.
Oh, yes. R needs a relaxed tongue.
Right. You don't push the tongue forward, you keep it slightly back.
And say not ool, not d, but
Words like really, right, river.
Let's practice. Really, right, river.
Great.
Speaking of practice, Jack, do you ever listen to yourself speaking?
Yes, sometimes I record my voice. It helps me notice mistakes.
That's a great idea. Many learners feel shy, but recording is very helpful.
You can listen, fix, improve, and try again.
Exactly. And you hear your progress over time. Maya, what's your favorite part of learning a language?
I love the moment when I understand something new, that aha feeling.
Oh, yes, that's a great feeling. And I also love the feeling of speaking without thinking too much.
That's fluency. And fluency comes from mouth training.
Yes, not just thinking, actually speaking.
Let's demonstrate a simple daily conversation for fluency practice.
Sure. Hi, Jack. What are you doing later?
I might go shopping. I need some groceries.
What will you buy?
Maybe milk, bread, and some fruit.
Sounds good. Do you cook often?
Sometimes I try easy recipes.
That's nice. Cooking is relaxing.
Yes, it is.
See, simple lines, natural rhythm.
And perfect for training your mouth.
Before we finish, let's give our viewers one more practice round.
Great idea.
Repeat after us. I can speak English.
I am improving every day.
I feel confident.
My mouth gets better with practice.
Wonderful job.
Yes, we're proud of you all.
Keep practicing. keep smiling, and keep training your mouth to talk.
Thank you for joining us today.
We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye!